everyone, here again Jacqui with another Birchbox unboxing. I'm going to show you guys what's in it. Also, I wanted to tell you guys and share all the exciting news from my school year. I just finished my fall and spring semester. It was a tough times, but we got all over it. In a week I should be starting my summer school. Hopefully it won't be as stressful as my fall and spring, but very much I'm super excited and looking forward to meet great people, my journey in school as well as my YouTube. And so thank you all for watching and tuning in today. Alright guys, so without wasting more time than what I did with just trying to record this coloring and all of that, let's get started. Alright guys, so for this month's tip 123, Birchbox is reminding us for the next 10 minutes enjoy some of you time you deserve. It's a great way to start opening this box, to always remind ourselves that we need to have some kind of time to ourselves. The days keep getting longer and it's just tough to keep up every day when you don't have regular schedule like you used to, and it's a reality. I have opened the Birchbox already, and the first thing that comes up is the female founder collective Birchbox. So Birchbox have collectively worked with the female founder collector, and then you can read more about it online. Many of the products that have come on the box. It is, anybody drum? Okay, it's Oribe by Benefit. This product is the best seller on the Birchbox website, and overall they have sent it a lot of times on the box. $25, instantly more awake. This mascara gives you lashes, a natural length, wiggle the band to the lashes line to the tip, so you pretty much will go like this out just to make it full look. And let's see how it looks inside. So the size is pretty good. I love the packaging, it's very nice. Next up is gonna be it's another bestseller, so I'm surprised how they put two of the bestseller on the box for this month. So this one is called Eyeko brow liner, and you guys can see right there, brown liner medium. Full size is $20. This waterproof brown pen fills in the spare spot to make your eyebrow look natural, fuller. Apply lightly, so you start from like the middle and then you start working your way out. Short strokes in an upward motion, moving from your inner brow to the outward. So I never tried this one before, but it looks like it could be a very good eyebrow pencil. Let's try it on my hand. It looks very watery, you know. I don't know what I feel about this. You guys have seen many eyebrow products, I'm pretty sure, from Anastasia as well, and most of them are like dip like brow, which is like a little wet kind of feel, or like the powder, which is what I usually use. But this is interesting. It's water resistant, so I wonder if you can actually go in a pool and just come out with the same eyebrows that you went in. Something to think about. I also think that it must be hard to take it off when you're doing your nighttime routines. Like you want to take it off with a makeup remover. So far I'm trying to take it off from my hand and it's not coming off at all. So it must be good. If you sweat a lot, or if you think you're going to be going to a party, just need something to hold you in place, I don't know what I think about this, but we can give it a try. This product is the Kate Somerville skincare. So this is the first time they're actually sending it out to sampling. It looks like this. It's very small. I know exfoliated stuff aren't necessarily need to be used every day. I have used dermatological and it's in daily use. There's mixed reviews about it. I had to stop it for a while because my skin was getting too dry. I was using it way too much, but you have to alternate. And I think this kind of product must be gentle to use, as the sound might sound Somerville, like it just makes me think a little bit of a soft, very soft. I don't know. Just in the description that they have given us. So exfoliating intensive treatment, full size, it's $85. I don't know if I'll spend $85 on the first shot. So this is a great product that can be used. Try it out. Don't like it, it's fine. You don't have to spend that $85 buying it online and trying it out and not liking it and just getting tired of sending products back to the store on the mail process in these times. So this is great. The signature product exfoliates dull and dry skin to reveal moisture, radiant skin in less than 2 minutes. Use once or twice per week. So what I said before with my dermatological products, I only use it daily because they were recommended. It worked great on my skin to when I needed to get rid of that dead skin, but this one is actually saying once and twice per week. So if this product does work for you, it would be great to spend $85 and just use it once or twice. It will last you a lot. And I definitely will want to have a product like this if I really need it in exfoliating. But because I don't need it, I'm gonna think about what I want to do if I try something like that. I opened it for you guys to see what it's like when I put it on my skin, because you don't want to have anything that is rough on your skin. I'm not a dermatologist or anything like that, but I know if you put anything on your skin that is very rough, it could go downhill on your skin, and it's not gonna be great to tell your dermatologist, I just think it was working, and then look at my skin now. That's not gonna be great. So, and first you want to try it on your hands. So let's put some on our hands to see how it feels. Ooh, it has a green color. So let me show you guys. It's a green color. It feels amazing. It smells like some kind of leaf. I don't know what kind of leaf could it be. I'm not even gonna try to say which one because I just can't tell. It did not take off my water resistance. You can feel a little particles that were on my skin. Let's wipe this down. Did not leave my skin rough at all. So this might be a good product. I'm considering this one a good one. Between this hand and this hand, it's great. This is called the Klorane. And it's a dry shampoo with natural tint. The full size is $20. It says shake well and spray it onto your root about 10 inches. Going to absorb the oil and refresh your hair. Dry shampoo has an invisible finish to a medium to dark. Like a natural look. It does not smell too refreshing. It might feel, but I don't know about smell. Ingredients. Okay, I don't know what it is, but anyway, fades away very nice. It's the Oribe Straightway Smoothing Blowout Cream. It's a full size of $44, but we have this one right here. Sleek hair without sacrificing body thanks to the styling bowl, and reduces and flies away. Apply through damp hair section by section before blow dry. Okay, Alright, so this is another hair product, kind of similar to what we have last month, but this is a different company who's offering it. It looks like something I will put on my face, like a moisturizer. Okay, it smells good, so that's a plus, because you don't want anything that's gonna smell weird or like strange to anybody, that they're gonna be like, what are you wearing on your hair, like what is that smell? If you want to treat anything with hair, especially, do it by section, do it by part, don't overwhelm your hair. If any of you want to try it, there it is, you can try this one. Alright, the next up is the Oribe, which is the same company from the cream blowout Gold Loose shampoo and conditioner. So another hair product. Full size is from $49 to $52. I'm assuming it depends on what you get. Shampoo and conditioner duo rejuvenates and strength damaged hair with centuries old healing oils and extracts like liprets, argan, and maracuja. Ooh, maracuja, I like those kind of products. I'm pretty sure have heard of it as well, and it's very common to use on your skin when you need that smooth out, you need to have a different feel, maybe too dry, and you just have to use something like that. So this product seems like I cannot try it out just because my skin is very sensitive. Tested formula without parabens, sulfates, sodium chloride, color and keratin treatment, safe, UV protection for hair, vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. So not for resale. So they're saying don't sell it, you know. I'm not gonna go sell this for $5 at this point. No one is gonna want to try it. So that was a wrap. I hope you guys will tune in. Thank you. Bye.